Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a new planner that I recently purchased for work. I'm so excited to be starting a new planner for the new year, as well as hopefully using a planner that works a little bit better for my needs when it comes to the office. So you're going to do this unboxing with me. This planner is from the Notiq brand. I will put a link to their products in the description below, and it is my first time using their products, so I'm excited about one, just being able to see what it looks like, and then also the quality of use as I use them. And hopefully I'll do an update video at some point of how I set it up and how it's working for me. So let's jump right into it. The packaging is amazing from this brand. I've heard quite a bit about them over the years. I think the first person that had a video that I watched, at least featuring this brand, was At Home with Kita, who is one of the planners that I follow online, and she was really impressed by their packaging and things, and this was before she started her own business. So I'm just really impressed with, just in terms of visual aesthetic, how they've packaged this. I'm going to open up the clear envelope that was included. And it does have a quick note here. Dear Lady Tiffany, thank you so much for choosing a new planner from Notiq. I am grateful for your trust and support. May your new year be full of so much success. And this is actually handwritten by the owner. Very impressive and personalized directly to me. I love those special touches. The next thing included is this additional notepad with the brand logo as well as the name of the company here at the bottom, and I could definitely use this on my desk. It features quite a few pages of notes, and I just love that. And then this is also a note card featuring the logo and also some background information about the owner and the mission of the company. So very impressive, very professional, and very polished. I love it. To the most important part, I wanted to purchase. I love this paper, by the way. I almost don't want to open it because I don't want to ruin the paper. Paper is beautiful. Okay, I'm going to turn it actually sideways so you have a better view. So one of the things that I ordered with this, in addition to the planner itself, was this extra set of note paper. Because I'm using this for work, there are a lot of notes that I take throughout my day for meetings and projects that I'm working on, things like that. So this additional paper will hopefully be helpful to me as I do those tasks throughout the day. And now to the beauty itself. This is, wow, a beautiful cloth cover actually that comes with the planner. Once again, these stickers with the motif, I absolutely love them. And this little dust cloth bag is so cute. This is the Croco embossed executive book. So this is not one of the agenda books. I did not want something with too many different sections in it, and there was a specific layout that I need. I noticed with my work planning that I do more of weekly planning versus daily planning, and I've really been looking around for a planner that offers this. I was really impressed with Notiq's layout and formatting for this. So I'm going to open it up just so you can see what I mean. The inside cover is a smooth velvety texture, so beautiful and luxurious. The front cover is the logo, absolutely beautiful. Even before I jump into the back, I just also want to show you these beautiful gold discs that it comes on. These are so bright and vibrant. They are, I want to say metal disc. Yeah, I think they are metal disc, and they are just really gorgeous and vibrant. They go well with the logo and everything also. And now to flip to the inside. So we have the 2021 calendar at a glance. Very nice. There's also a note section here. And then we have the 2022 year at a glance, also with the note section at the bottom. And then we have these weekly brief sheets. So this is what I was really excited about for work. This is the way that I like to plan for my job in terms of being able to note all of my meetings on a particular day, on each particular day on a single sheet so I can reference that, and then have a running to-do list of all the things I want to get accomplished in that week. And I love that this even has a top target section at the top, so I can definitely say these are the things that I have to get done. And this is the way I really like to plan. Before using this planner, I was trying to use a half sheet happy planner, which sort of worked for a while. I was using inserts with that, and then I switched to the Erin Condren Daily Duo, and that just really did not work for me. It was a daily layout, and that's really just not how I work. I was spending more money on buying stickers to make the weeks look cute versus being able to functionally use the planner. So I'm really excited to be able to use this one. And as I mentioned, this is supposed to be more like an executive planner, which works for me as a program manager because I tend to have to focus on things on the big picture and the larger scale versus day to day. So I'm really excited to be able to use this. It features also dot grid paper on the back of every page. So you also have additional note space. And then I also noted as while turning the pages that there are notes pages already here. So this is great to have this section here. I'll probably purchase a divider to just designate the two, separate the two. And then also I'll have my extra note paper in the event that I use all of this up, which is quite likely knowing my regular schedule. But I think this will be perfect for my job. I'm just going to flip to the end. The velvet back cover is the same, very soft, luxurious. The back is very similar to the front. I will probably personalize this, like I said, with a few dividers. I think this is the actually, let me check, A5 or A6 size. Now, this is actually the half letter size. So this is the half letter 8-disc punched Luxe weekly brief plan book. That's what this is called. And this runs about, I can't remember what I paid for it on the website, but I will put the link to this particular product as well as all of the Notiq products in the description below. I will be doing an updated version where I set this up. It's not a whole lot to really have to set up, which is even better, but I think I will add a couple dividers and may look on their website to see if there are any other inserts that I might need for this. And once again, the quality, the packaging, the customer service, this came in, I want to say 2 days. Like, it's super fast shipping for this. So this company is really, really worth the investment. Their prices are reasonable considering the long-term quality that you'll probably have with their items. I hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!